Okay, right, good evening. We're back here with the Cadac barbecue again, aren't we?
Hi!
Oh yeah, see, can't show too much of her because
So I still haven't got dressed yet.
hasn't got any makeup or anything on her face. So listen, a couple of issues that we've had with the Cadac. Not issues as in it's a design fault, but more of issues of cleaning.
Yeah, maintenance.
Because we don't like cleaning,
No,
do
we don't,
Okay,
no.
so obviously when you use your grill like this, after a while it does start to get a bit sort of khaki in here. Even however much you clean it, they do get a bit khaki. There
I
she is.
have actually used the scourer on it,
Yeah.
and it just takes forever
Yeah.
to do it, so we end
So
up leaving it.
what we've actually what we've got is we've bought the Cadac barbecue brush, which really does
This.
seem to work. So
So let me show you what happens when we use the Cadac barbecue brush. It really does.
buff it up and get it clean again, doesn't it?
Yeah, it takes a bit of effort, but we get there, and
Yeah.
it starts to come off.
Yeah. So that is good. So we're going to use that sort of moving forward, and I think it's important. But we found and discovered
God.
something
Yeah,
that
I'm so excited.
is going to be. Well, it's going
Are
to
you
do
ready?
it. Yeah, come on then. There we go. Look at that BBQ grill mats. And thanks very much to our son-in-law, Kay Oligosi, for bringing these to our attention. Because we popped round yesterday. He was doing a barbecue and he had some of these, and I thought perfect for the Cadac. So they come in a set of 3. I'm just calm down,
Oh,
please.
sorry, I was
A
excited.
set of
to show
3. We got them from Amazon. Well, we didn't. Son-in-law got them from Amazon because
She comes from a company.
got them from Amazon, and they come from a company called Twisted Chef, which is there, and I think he said they're about £8 or £9 on the internet. There's their address, as you can see, Twisted Chef, 58 High Street, Medley, Telford, and the website there is twisted-chef.com. So there we go. Unpack them now, Mrs. C.
Oh, thank you.
This is a pack of 3, and I don't know if you've used these before, but
That's the size of them.
what you can actually do is you put them on your barbecue grill, stops it from going all nasty, but gives you that same effect. You still get your charcoal marks on it and everything else. So there we go. And what we thought we'd do is we will actually cut one of these to size to fit on top of the Cadac grill there.
Now, hang on.
So,
Yep.
okay,
So
so
what
what-
we discovered
So
is if you take the what do they call this? The pan.
that's
the griddle
a
pan.
griddle, yeah.
If you take the griddle pan, look, and you put it over the top there, that's about the right size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw.
So what you're saying is the griddle pan is larger than the grill.
Well, the barbecue pan.
Sorry, the
is
barbecue pan is
larger than the griddle pan. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to
Use the griddle
as a template.
as a template. Good. Okay.
So should we come back in a minute after I've done that?
Right, let's just lay that on that sheet just to make sure that that is going to fit.
Okay.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, it might seem a waste, but we're going to cut round that to give us a sheet that actually sits on top of here, and then that will hopefully mean that there's less cleaning to
Oh
do.
my God, that'd be fantastic.
And then we're going to cook some kebabs on here
Yeah.
and some peppers,
Yeah.
and we're going to show it. But what we're going to do first is cut it down, and then we'll show you how we get on.
I don't think we actually mentioned that this actually is washable, so you can actually wash
Oh yeah,
this.
wash it, reuse it.
Yeah.
You can reuse it 20, 40, 50 times, I think. So it's very good stuff. But look at it. It's check it out. It's twistedchef.com. Have a look at it, and
We'll come back afterwards, shall we?
we will. We're just going to cut this out now. We're going to mark round here, do a bit of Blue Peter. This is one we've prepared earlier, and then we'll come back to you shortly. Okay, so the really nice people at Twisted Chef have given you plenty of instructions to read, but in a nutshell, it means that this, which we've now cut to size, there we go. Okay, cut that to size now to the grill. Let's have a look there. Fits nicely, yeah? Turn it over so it's, that's it. So that fits on there nicely. Now what that means is we are ready to go. But in a nutshell, that little black pad absorbs the heat. It stops you burning on the griddle, which is really good. They advise you not to use metal tipped utensils with it.
All right.
So just because it's, I suppose it's like a normal non-stick thing, you don't want it scratched. Clean it when it's warm and sponge it down with a gentle cloth and some warm water, and that's it. And that should change the way we clean the grill on our barbecue.
Fabulous.
So we're going to have a quick slurp of wine,
Oh,
aren't
yes.
we?
Always, always.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And we're going to get the Cadac set up, and then we're going to cook some peppers on it, and we're going to cook some kebabs on it.
And are we doing the minted lamb,
Minted lamb kebabs.
mantle and shoulders?
That's right. Yeah.
Minted.
So there we go.
Can't speak.
So so we're going to do that, and we'll come back in a minute when we're starting to cook. So catch you again later. Okay, so before we put the kebabs on, I've got these really nice juicy lamb steaks here. Aldi, thanks very much Aldi. We're going to pop those on there. You can see I've got the mat sitting on top of the grill there. And just pop those on the top there. And you can just about hear them starting to sizzle. Yep. So there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to carry on cooking, and what we'll do is we'll come back to you again shortly when we really get into it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn these over now just to see what they look like. As you can see, they're really sizzling. They've been on there about 3 or 4 minutes. And look at that. You still even get those black charcoal marks on there from cooking on a barbecue. You still get that effect. See? Don't ask me the science around that, but it looks really good. So we're going to carry on cooking those. And in fact, what I'm going to do, put a handful of peppers in there as well, just to keep them going. And I think the good thing about this mat as well is that these won't slip in through the grill. So that's quite good. So we're going to keep that going, and we'll come back to you again in a few minutes. Right then, we're going to go for that second turn. Look at that. See what I mean? You still get that barbecue effect. You still get those lovely sort of, I wouldn't say burnt bits, but sort of barbecue. Yeah, charcoal grilled. Look, you still get exactly the same effect that you would do if that was straight on that grill, getting all dirty and greasy. I said, don't ask me the science behind it. I think the guys at Twisted Chef can help you on that one. I'm just a fat chef. So, there you go. As you can see, well, I'm not, but the amount of cooking we've been doing recently, I think we need to go on a serious diet. Can you go on a sort of Cadac? Oh, that'll be a thing, won't it? How to go on a diet with a Cadac. There you go. We'll try and bring that one to you. So we're going to leave that there for a few more minutes. Look at these peppers. They are really starting to go really lovely. So we're going to leave that there for a few more minutes, and we'll be back with you. Right, here we go. Let's just serve up a couple of these steaks. Look at that.
Oh, that looks lovely.
That looks very, very nice. Put some peppers on there for you, Mrs. P.
Thank you.
Look at them. Put those on there. Do the other steak for me. Look at that.
Smells wonderful.
Peppers on there. I think this is where we need some special tongs.
Yeah, we've got to get silicone tongs or something. Yeah.
So you can use. I'm going to pop those on there. Now we're really going to pop this through its paces tonight, because we're not going to stop there. We're going to put some more things on, so stay with me.
Oh my God, have we got to eat more food tonight?
So we're going to put some kebabs on, just to cook.
Chicken with chilli and lime sauce, I must say. Yes, look, carefully, lovingly marinated by my husband.
Yeah, right. There you go. So we're going to leave those on there now. I'm just going to turn that down a fraction, just so it's not quite so hot. We're going to cook those as well while we're eating our lamb steaks. and we'll come back to you again in a minute. Yum yum. Right, so here's the chicken kebabs. Now you might notice the sticks are gone, and the sticks are gone for a reason, because these were pretty thick lumps of chicken, but they seem to be doubled up on sticks, and I just wanted to make sure that that chicken got cooked inside, so I took them off the sticks. But that is pretty nice cooked chicken there, and we'll be munching on that later. Well, this is why I need some silicone tongs. Now what I'm also going to do now is turn the Cadac off, because when this mat here, and that seems to be the only problem, it does slip around a bit. I'm just going to use a fork now.
The tongs? Can you use tongs?
I don't want to use the tongs because they say don't use tongs on
the
that
metal
mat.
fork that you're using.
Yeah, but I'm not putting it into the mat, am I? Silly woman. So right, that's the chicken.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let this cool down, and then we're going to come back and look at what this looks like. But we're not going to let it go cold, because it's important to keep it warm to wash it. So we're going to go through that process with you, and hopefully it'll be a good result. If it's not, you'll see it live, and we'll come back to you again shortly. Okay, so it's cooled down, but you can always touch it.
Yeah, that's fine.
So let's just pick it up.
Can
Don't
I?
touch it with the metal. They
Nope.
say don't touch it with
Oh,
the...
okay.
Yeah,
There you
that's
go.
it.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Oh my God,
So
look at that. It's really
that
clean.
is what we're looking at. That is what you've all been saved, and we've been saved. That's not dirty, so I think that'll be just a quick wipe over, and we've got a clean grill then. So
Right, so here,
shake the bits off that first.
you should shake the bits off. And then the little hedgehogs and squirrels and things can get that tonight.
Yeah, pop that in there. Don't forget, don't use the abrasive side of the...
Okay.
have to keep reminding her, bless her, she doesn't usually wash up.
I do wash up. Cheeky git.
Does she wash up?
Does she wash up? Does
There
she
you go.
clean that?
So-
No, she never cleans that. I do actually. I'm the one.
Does it? Is there much resistance? Is there a
No.
lot of dirt on there?
No,
No.
no, nothing at all.
I can't believe we're washing up and videoing this. But there you go. It's all for
That's
good
really
cause.
good. Oh my God.
Does it come up really clean?
Yeah, it does. I
Yeah.
tell you what, the amount of times I had to scrub that Cadac and it still didn't come up clean,
Yeah.
because that's really clever. That is really, really clever.
So, well worth using for the future.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep,
Fabulous.
yep. There you go. Look. Hang on. There you go. There's nothing on that at all. It's perfectly clean.
Fabulous. And then you put that away again,
That is brilliant.
and you use it next time.
Perfect.
So there you go. That is a barbecue mat from
I'm really impressed with that.
those special people called
Twisted Chef.
Twisted Chef, and that's our clean barbecue grill. We've cooked 2 big steaks, some peppers on that, and some kebabs, and it's really nice and clean, so that's really good. I really hope that is going to be worthwhile you watching. Please give us a thumbs up, would really appreciate it. 10 out of 10, Mrs. T?
That's absolutely brilliant. I'm really astonished.
Okay, fabulous. Hit that red button and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And we can bring you more things. And look at this lovely evening here on this campsite. It's gorgeous. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and bye for now.